Okay, so hello people. So today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 1422, that is maximum score after splitting a string. And in this we'll be given a string s of 0s and 1, and we have to return the maximum score after splitting that string into two non-empty substrings, that is left substring and right substring. And the score after splitting a substring is the number of zeros in the left substring plus the number of zeros in the right substring. Okay, so what we can do, we will just move with the brute force solution. We'll be just counting the number of zeros and the number of ones on left and the right substring. Okay, so let's have a variable answer and initialize it with 0, and then return for nested for loops for int I equal to 0, I less than s dot length, uh, and then minus 1, n I plus plus, because we need a last substring also, so we'll be running the loop till length minus 1 only. Okay, so now let's initialize the variable current, that would be equal to 0. Okay, then a nested for loop that for n j equal to 0, j less than or equal to I j plus plus. Okay, so what we'll be doing, that if s dot char at I is equal to 0, what I will be doing, we'll be just incrementing the current counter, and then we'll be changing the for the right substring, that for int j equal to 0, j equal to I plus 1, and j less than s dot length j plus plus, and if s dot okay, let me just zoom in also. Yeah, if s dot char at I is equal to 1, then also we'll be increasing the current counter, current plus plus. Okay, and here what we'll be doing, we'll be updating the answer variable by answer equal to mat dot max current comma a. Okay, so let's at the end return answer. Okay, so now let's run it. Okay, and it produces a wrong output. Okay, let me just have a look again. I equal to 0, I less than s dot length minus 1, I plus plus, current equal to 0, j less than or equal to I, j plus plus. Then if s dot char at, oh okay, here it should be j, sorry, s dot char at j, here also s dot char at j. Now let's run it. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Okay, so now let's submit it. And it works fine. Okay, so yeah, this was it for today. Thank you for watching.